Hi, how are you doing? The fake, we know it's fake, you know it's fake, I know it's fake, they know it's fake. The fake, I'm really excited and happy, okay? It doesn't work, it doesn't play well. I know what you're trying to do, you're trying to be professional and have a great, but this type of talk, especially up talk, okay? If you're an up talker, whether consciously or subconsciously, figure out how to stop being an up talker. People don't like up talkers. Up talking, you always end in a high note. Thank you for calling. My name's Matt. How can I help you? Nobody wants to work with that person.